Welcome to part 2 of our parking pad. So, as you guys can see, we have our parking pad framed in with our wood. We're about to put our single piece of wood in the middle to divide. We have bags of concrete. Boom! We have bags of concrete. We are ready to go. That was all that Lowe's had. So we literally bought out Lowe's on all their high strength concrete that they offer right now. So I think it will do half of this. So we're gonna put that little piece of wood in the middle here, or a little bit further than the middle, and we're gonna fill up as much as we can with concrete. We can let that cure. When we pull it off, we can do the other half when we can get some more concrete. But I think that will do half of this, but we'll see. We're gonna do bag by bag and follow along right now. Let's get started with the first bag.